kitchen. We're gonna make chocolate Rice Krispie cakes. Design is do you wanna make ice? With something with this. Okay, then eat this. Is that do it to me? Is that do it to you? This is what I need for today. This one is chocolate milk. This one is dark chocolate, and this one is sweeties. And this one is chocolate. Yeah, we can eat this after. And this one is sweeties. And this one is Rice Krispie. No, there's that. Hey, hey, this one is silver. This one is cupcakes to it. Marshmallows is there. Eat it now. Banana. Okay. Let me try this one. Let's try that. It smells like chocolate. That's bad. You need to eat something. It smells like chocolate. Here. Now we need a bowl. And mix it. Yeah, mix it and but we can't lose the glass one. Okay, before we cook, you remember to wash your hands. So we'll come back. And we come back. There's the chocolate. We got chocolate. Look, so we're gonna break it. That one is too hard. Too hard. Yeah. Maybe you can try this bit and then. Harder. It did. Now we can add our butter in. Yeah, put it. Good. And then let me have some. No. 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Merry Christmas. That cake is nice. That chocolate cake is really nice. Yeah. And I got chocolate cake. Yeah. You made chocolate. Yeah, that's so much. And I made chocolate cake. Yeah, that's so much. And her chocolate cake is done. Yeah. And our cake is not done yet. Not like mine. No. Now I'm ready to do. Now I need to put a liquid. Rice Krispie in the box. Give me that one right now. Lots of them. Mixing it together. Chocolate and chocolate. Rice Krispies and chocolate. You follow. Run a happy meal. Very good. It smells like chocolate. It smells like really sweet. It smells like chocolate. Yes, it smells. What's that? Voila! This. I'm never tried this. That's one. Now we need a bit cupcake and a tray. I'm going to do this one there. Now we need to put the Krispies in the holder. There. Put more in there. Okay. There's not enough there. Put some. Not funny. Man. Now we just put it in the tray. Now we need to let it set. Very nice. Very, 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 very,
1 hour later.
Let's see it's done. Done. It's done. Yeah, it's done. See, guys, look. Oh, you can't. It's cold. Look, Phil. That's why I went in the fridge. Yay! We need to take it. Guys, with all the sweeties. We've got so many. Yeah. First, we need to put melted chocolate. You can't just eat that chocolate. Yeah, just. No, that just has some. That's sugar. Are you ready to put the sweetie? Yeah! Let's eat them. You should eat them. Let me try this one. No! No. sweeties. Can you eat this sweeties? Is that you like it? We can't eat these. No. We can't eat these. No. This is how you make Rice Krispies cake. If you want to see another video, and don't forget, bye. If you want to make another cake, and if you want to make these sweeties, then comment down below and see. Yeah.